Alright, what up, people? I've been going for a minute, I know, but it's okay. I'm back, I'm ready to do some more videos, ready to show y'all some more dope shit, some new stuff that I got. My journey in this FPV hobby, you know. I do gotta say, I learned a lot. Got a lot of new things, and you know, I'm just excited for 2018 and, you know, the new opportunities for the hobby. And really, I just want to say, hey, I appreciate the people keeping the fun in the hobby, not always saying you're ruining the hobby. I ain't going to lie, I'm tired of hearing that, to be honest. People look out for me, man. I'm in the Rotor Riot group on Facebook, 1% group on Facebook. I'm in pretty much a lot of groups on Facebook, so if you're new, I just want to say welcome to the channel. Enjoy the videos, you know, throw me a like, subscribe, comment, you know. Help the YouTube channel grow. This is 2018, getting back into it, knocking the rust off. Can you dig it?
I really give a fuck with my excuses that I'm young, and I'm only getting older. Somebody should have told you I'm wrong. I said I'm wrong. A strong one. Two white cards and I got that gun. It could be bad, it could be done. And I know how you mix that shit. That shit, only